A very good morning, students. Today we are going to start with chapter number 10, that is networks, on page number 136 of your book. The chapter networks involved the topics communication, what is computer communication. We will study that for successful communication, what do we need, what are networks, what are the types of networks, why do we need a network. Okay, so these things we are going to cover today. Okay, the first topic is communication. Now what is communication? It is a process in which one can converse, one can convey his message to others. Minimum is the two people needed for the successful communication. That means a sender will send the message to the receiver and receiver will get or understands the exact information or the idea that the sender is intended to give. So the communication involves a sender transmitting an idea and information or a feeling to the receiver. That means effective communication occurs only when the receiver will understand what the sender is sending a message, what the sender is conveying us, right? Then the next topic is computer communication. Computer communication means a communication in which computers are involved. So these things, the computer communication is described as a process in which one computer transfers the data, instructions and information to another computer. See the students, as this is a theoretical chapter, you need to understand, you need to learn the concepts for what is communication, why computer communication is needed. You are using it in daily life. What is computer communication? We are sending a message through WhatsApp. We are the senders and the message are received by the receivers, right? So these are the communication. Next is computer network. Now network means a net of computers, right? So computer network is a collection of computers and devices connected by communication channel. Communication channel means again the wire or wireless medium. So computer network is a, please read it carefully from the book because this question will come as 2-mark question. What is a computer network? It is a collection of computers and devices connected by communication channels. Like this is our computer, this is one of the computer, and these are connected with wire or wireless. Suppose we are using in these days we are using USBs or our data cables to connect one device to another. Suppose this is my mobile and I am connecting it with my computer. So I can use either data cable or I can use Bluetooth or I can use Wi-Fi system. So this is known as computer network. So people connect computers to a network for variety of reasons. For that we need to learn that what is the need of the network. Why we are making the networks, right? See, in these days we are using internet. Again, this is a network of computers, right? Worldwide. So why do we need a network? For data sharing or information sharing. Data or information we can share with one computer to another computer. Then we can share hardware. For hardware I am giving you example. Suppose we are having 3 computers, okay, but we do not need 3 printers. We need with 3 computers or more than 3 computers we can work with one printer. So this is how we are sharing the hardware device. One hardware device in a network can be shared with many computers, right? See, it is showing you in your book also. On 137 page, it is showing you first need is that we are sharing data from one computer to another, right? We can share either from computer or from the mobile. We can share data with any other computer. Next thing is, why do we need a network is we can share the hardware devices. Hardware devices, it is showing you that one printer can be shared by n number of computers. That is, it is showing one printer is being shared by 3 computers. So we do not want that we will waste money on different printers for different computers. So one printer can be shared by any number of computers. Next is software sharing. You are using daily in your daily lives, you are sharing your softwares, like you are sharing your CDs. You will purchase one CD, you will copy into your software, that software into your PC, and you can give that particular CD to any other person, or you can share with the Wi-Fi network. Share It app is there, or many other apps are there with which from your computer you can share the software to any other computer. Again, this is shown in your book on page number 138, that one CD can be shared on any n number of computers. That means you can share the software worldwide through your emails, through your Bluetooth devices, through your USB devices. And the last need is transfer funds. Transfer funds. Now, these days, due to pandemic, this become very popular, right? That we are sharing our funds, we are transferring our funds with the online system. That is, we are using Paytm is there, Google Pay is there, many applications which are using EFT. Now the full form will come as EFT, that is electronic fund transfer. Electronic fund transfer means we are using electronic devices. With the use of electronic devices like phone or our computer, we are exchanging our funds with the help of our net banking. We are having online banking system with which we are getting the user IDs and password. By logging into the bank website, we can share the funds that is from one bank to another bank, from our mobile device bank connection with the other mobile device bank connection. That means our network allows user to exchange money from one account to another via electronic fund transfer, that is EFT. Note down in your copies that EFT is the full for EFT we need to learn the full form, electronic fund transfer. Both business and consumer use EFT. Examples are including wire transfers, credit cards, debit cards, direct deposit, or we are doing online bill payments, DTH payments. We are doing it daily life. We are doing it in daily life. Homework for today is, as I have covered topics from 136 page to 138. So your first homework will be that you will read these pages thoroughly, so that you will get to know what were the topics. What is computer communication? Why do we need a network? What is the need for successful communication, right? And question answers are being sent on your mobile in the form of PDF. Either you can do it today, or on the completion of the chapter you can do the question answers properly. And then you will write down the full form of EFT today, that is electronic funds transfer. So daily basis